Let's look at a short introduction about Python. Python is a programming language which was developed by this guy, Guido van Rossum, on the December of 1989. Now, what is a programming language? A programming language is the language of a computer, like English, but for computers. It is used to communicate with the computer and give it instructions, like display this piece of text on the screen. Now let's look at the use cases of Python. Python is used in many fields, like game development. It is also used in web development as a back-end programming language. And it is used on the hot topic AI or artificial intelligence. You have probably heard this term a lot by now. Python is the best programming language for AI. In the next video, we are going to be installing Python and get it up and running. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.